Hi everyone, it's Ashing. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my monthly hits and misses. Sorry, my jacket's like driving me nuts. I got this jacket in Pretty Little Thing. It's so oversized. I love it. I'm obsessed. Actually, that's probably like one of my first favorites this month. I've been loving this jacket, which I will link down below for you guys if you're interested. Anyway, I'm going to do my hits and misses this month, and I've kind of a little bit of like news updates, I suppose. If you guys have been watching my channel, you'll know that I've been back to vlogging, which I took a bit of a hiatus for about 6 months, which is like the longest time I think I've gone without vlogging since I started vlogging. It's just been so long. I didn't consciously stop vlogging, I just kind of didn't feel like doing it. And then I also was checking the comments and seeing so many of you guys were like, please come back to vlogging. And then when I vlog, it's so funny because people are like, are you going to do beauty videos again? So I can't like do everything for everybody all the time. I'm one person and I'm just trying to like stretch myself, and I don't want to stretch myself too thin where you're getting little quality. So the way that I'm going to be doing it, which is kind of like my update, is I'm just going to be doing what I feel. And if I feel like uploading a vlog today, I'm going to upload a vlog today. If I feel like doing a beauty video today, I'm going to do a beauty video. So you guys can be expecting a mismatch of let me start that again. You guys can expect a mismatch of content on my channel. There will be one vlog at least every week, and there will be one beauty video at least every week. So you're going to be getting both those things. The other thing though is I will possibly upload vlogs maybe a little bit more regularly. Like if I feel like I want to do like 4 vlogs in a week, then I'll just keep uploading every day to my channel. So you will be getting a little bit more content. I want to throw in a couple of different videos as well. So my sister and I had decided that we wanted to film videos a long time ago. So we're going to start doing videos this week, and we're going to target a topic that you guys probably didn't know that I'm actually quite interested in. I don't know loads about it, but I know a good bit about it. But my sister is definitely an expert on it, and that is astrology. I know not everybody's into it, but it's just a bit of fun. So I thought that me and my sister Ollie, you might know her already because we did one video before testing candy like a long time ago, was American candy, and we want to do like a couple of videos together. She's happy enough to do that, and I very rarely bring people into my channel, but I want to do that. Also, Damien is quite keen to get back on my channel after the last video that you guys may have seen him in, and loads of people are like, oh my god, Damien's bomb. Damien is like one of my best friends of life. I wouldn't know what my life would be like without him. So Damien wants to get in on some videos, and then I also have kind of like challenge videos I want to do, and like cooking videos and fun videos, nutrition thrown in. So my channel is definitely evolving. I know I told you guys about this like last November, so I'm just gonna kind of incorporate what I feel like when I feel like it onto my channel. I hope that makes sense. And you guys can help me as I go along. Like you can recommend challenges for me to do. I really want to do the eating McDonald's for 24 hours. I think I would enjoy that very much. Or ordering the order that the person in front of me ordered, or you know, something like that. I just want to kind of have a little bit more interesting content, funny content, showing a bit more of my personality, because you guys have said the nicest thing about my personality, which is really nice to hear that you think that I'm nice. There's like crickets in the background. Anyway, let's move on from that. So that is the direction I'm taking my channel. Like I said to you guys, I kind of came up with this last November. It's just taken a lot of time to get the ball rolling and the wheels in motion, because I've just it just has to happen naturally, and it wasn't. So now it kind of feels like it's a natural progression. So we're going to move on from that and talk about beauty products favorites of the month. And I also will be including like fashion videos and stuff like that always, because they're like, I love them and I love makeup and everything. So you're not going to lose that element from this channel if you're worried. If anything, you're gaining a lot more different kind of content. Right, so first favorite of the month is the ItCC cream. I was sent out this little teeny tiny travel size. I have the full size of this, and I actually was including it in Project Pan. Project Pan went way along the wayside. I completely and utterly forgot everything about Project Pan because I moved and stuff, and I talked about that in one of my vlogs, and I just forgot about doing it. But It Cosmetics sent me out their CC cream again, which I love. And I can't find my full size of it. I don't know where it is. So I've been wearing this constantly. I've been wearing very little makeup this summer. I just feel like I don't need it on my skin. Like, I'm saying that right now. I am caked to the heavens. But generally day to day, I'm skipping out on the makeup. I'm just not wearing it at all. I can't not fill in my eyebrows because I just feel like my eyebrows filled in just makes my face. But if I want to kind of cover up any imperfections or just make my skin look a little bit more evened out, I use the It Cosmetics CC Cream. That's just what I'm loving. It's just really nice on my skin. It's very lightweight. It's super full coverage. It smells amazing. It's an SPF 50 in it, so it's great at protecting my skin from UV rays. And what more can I say about it? It's amazing, and I love that they have a travel size now, so I can bring that anywhere in the world with me. The next product might be a little bit of a controversial one. I might get in an awful lot of trouble for mentioning this, but I can't help but deny that I like it, and it's been a favourite and I've been using it. And it is from Kat Von D, and that's why I think you guys will not be too pleased. I did say I wasn't going to feature Kat Von D on my channel, but the brand that represents their PR sent me out their products and I didn't know I was getting them, and I actually fell in love with this lipstick which looks like this. I've been wearing it all month. I'm wearing it right now. The lipstick shade is called Ophelia. I just absolutely love it. I can't deny it. I really like her packaging and stuff. I'm so torn with the whole thing because I'm not a big fan of her as a person and the things she believes in, but the girl has got great makeup. And it's just kind of like, do I feature it? Do I not? Do I include it? What do I do? I don't know. I don't really want to say any more about that. So try not to attack me in the comment section. If I was wearing it and not telling you guys that I enjoy it, I don't think that would be very honest. The next product that I've been really loving is the Revlon Color Stay Lip Liner. I don't know if I mentioned this in my last hits and misses, but this has been a major hit for me. It's in the shade Nude. And I don't know why I've liked this lip liner so much, because it's just a basic nude shade, but it's the fact that it is so long lasting. This is probably one of the most long lasting lip liners from an affordable drugstore brand that I have tried in the longest time. Generally, when I wear like lip liners like from NYX and stuff, they look lovely on my lips, don't get me wrong, but I do find 2 hours into wearing them, they've like completely worn off, and that's like they were never there in the first place. Whereas I still find that this is intact hours and hours later. It's like waterproof or something. Like I'm rubbing my hand over that and it's still there. Brilliant consistency and a really good formula, and reminds me, not quite to the extent, but a little bit like the Hoonah Beauty lip liners. And if you guys have ever tried them, they just do not budge. They don't move. They don't go anywhere. They just will stay in your lips for life. This kind of quality reminds me of it. So yeah, kudos to Revlon for creating a really good lip liner. Speaking of Hoonah Beauty, I have been loving these little eyeshadow palettes that she has. I have the mauve, is it the Mauve Obsessions palette from Hoonah Beauty, and I cannot stress how much I dislike that. The quality of it is just horrendous. It's an abomination on my eyes. I don't know what happens. It just doesn't blend. It doesn't look nice. It just looks horrific. But the Coral Obsession and Warm Brown Obsession, I have been obsession central over them. I have been obsessing over them. So this one is the Warm Brown, which looks like that on the inside. It's so pretty. Coral Obsessions, which looks like this. And a lot of people have said recently in one of my vlogs, I can't remember which one it was, I think it was the day I got my hair extensions in, I can link it down below, but I had like a coral shade in my eye and everyone was like, what is that? It's beautiful. It's this shade here from this Coral Obsessions. It's the only shade that I've been wearing. I just wear it in my eye, and sometimes I might add a bit of this and I mix the two of them together and just put them through my eye or through my crease, and they just look lovely. I have been really obsessing over the Warm Browns because it is just perfect for like a little bit more of a deeper eye look, but still keeping that warm tone present. And I just think you can get a lovely eyeshadow look with this. It also has that kind of coral shade there as well that you could use either through the crease also. So if I'm going for like a little bit more of a smoky date night kind of eye look, I will use this one. And if I want something just for daytime appropriate eyes, I use this one. And I love these kind of shades as well. They're more of like a duochrome. Oh, they're just really pretty. The quality of this eyeshadow palette is just insane, and both these eyeshadow palettes work so well. It makes me wonder if the Mauve Obsessions palette that I have is just a complete dud, because I can't believe how amazing quality these are over the Mauve Obsessions. My Mauve Obsessions has to be a dud. Like there's no other question about it. Like it just has to be. I got this concealer last year and completely forgot all about it, but it's the Born This Way multi-using sculpt concealer. Now I know I just talked to you guys about the CC cream from IT Cosmetics, that I've been using that to apply to my face if I want like a tiny little bit of makeup but I don't want to go full beat ass face. I will use this also. So I've been using this a lot in July. This, like I said, the Born This Way multi sculpt use concealer. You can use it as a foundation or concealer. It's amazing. Like, the quality of this is so good. I have two shades. So this one is sand, and I have a darker shade as well. I think it's like mocha or something. I need to get a lighter shade for underneath my eyes, actually, because I've just heard that this concealer for underneath your eyes is just bomb. I've never actually used this underneath my eyes, would you believe? Because I just have two shades and neither of them will go underneath my eyes. So if you are like between an NC35 and NC37 in MAC, and you use this concealer, what shade do you use underneath your eyes? Because I'm a little bit lost and I'm going to buy it online. I know you can get it in Debenhams and stuff, but I just won't be in town to pick this up. Is there anywhere else that does it? Do they do it in Debenhams in Blanchardstown or anything? I'm not sure. But Debenhams in town, I know 1,000,000% on Henry Street has it. But I just won't be getting in to try it out. Actually, Boots is getting Too Faced now, so that's where I will test it out. But I do need to get a lighter shade for underneath my eyes because the coverage of this is insane. It's like the Tarte Shape Tape. It's just that incredible, and it's ginormous. I think there's like 15 milliliters in this. It's loads. It's like half a foundation size for a concealer. It's really good. Absolutely love. I'm going to move on to a hair care product, which is the coconut hair treatment from Revlon. This is the one, it's like 10, it's the 1 in 10 or something it's called, but this is the coconut one. I've mentioned this and talked about this and featured this a lot on my vlogs lately, and I just wanted to talk about it again because it has been a fond favorite of mine all month. I've been using it constantly, and I just think it is a really, really, really good leave-in conditioner. A lot of people don't like this product, the white one, the coconut one. They prefer the original. They're just not mad about the scent, or they think that the quality of it is not as good. But oh my god, it just reminds me of summer. But I absolutely love this. I think the quality of it's great. I think it does wonders to my hair. It just keeps my hair like soft and conditioned, and it just, I don't know, I just really like it in my hair. It doesn't make my hair straw like or like full of product or anything like that. It's a really good leave-in treatment and I highly recommend it. I can't not mention this. I know it's expensive and I also love the dupe of it, but it is a really good palette. And it's the Natasha Denona Gold palette. I know, guys, this is so expensive. This is just like my favorite types of shades for my eyes, other than purples, but I've kind of been staying away from purples like in the last while. Like I say that when there's like purples in my eyes, but I went through a phase of only kind of wearing purple eyeshadows for so long, whereas I feel like these green tones are amazing on my eyes, and you don't have to like always use the green shades. Obviously you can go in with like the warm browns and stuff and create something lovely with them also. I just really like this palette. I don't want to talk too much about it, like I said, because it is super expensive. It's like $130, whereas the Goddess palette, which is a dupe for it from Alter Ego, is like $16, something like that, and it's just phenomenal. The only problem with this is they only ship within the US. I do have a coupon code for it. I'm not sponsored, but I do have a coupon code for it, and it's just drama. If you type that in on the Alter Ego website, if you're from the US, you can get money off this, like 10%, I think. This palette is incredible. But I just wanted to mention this because I just have been dipping into it a lot more. I don't know why. I think it's like the packaging is like drawing me in. Like this one's black. It's lovely and everything, the shadows. But I just haven't been like drawn to it. Like when I open my makeup drawer, I see the gold and I'm like, I want that. I'm like a magpie. So I've just been using this a lot this month. If I have been wearing eyeshadow, it's generally either this or the Hoonah Beauty palettes. And that's it. There's like no in between. I just love it. And I love like the packaging and everything. It's just insanely good quality. I think these are like my final hits for the month, which, looking around, yeah, I'm pretty certain. Okay, that wasn't very many. But anyway, the last hit that I have is these Jessica Wright Beauty false lashes from Deals, guys. These are $1.49 each, and these eyelashes are incredible. So the pair that I love the most is Vibey, for more for a nighttime wispy eyelash look. But then for like more daytime appropriate, I like the Wild and Free, and I just think that these are really nice. And I wore these, I think it was in my Natural Collection eyeshadow or makeup tutorial. I wore these lashes and a lot of people asked about them, and they hadn't had them for so long, like so long in Deals. And I went in like 3 days ago and they had them and they're like amazing. So both these lashes are great. Like you can see that these are obviously a little bit more dramatic than them. They're both kind of dramatic eyelashes. But I just really like the quality of them, and like I said, they're from Deals. If you don't know what Deals is, it's also known as Poundland, and if you don't have Poundland or Deals, you're kind of out of luck with them. But if you do see the Jessica Wright brand in Deals and the lashes, particularly Wild and Free and Vibey, pick them up. You won't regret it. I have like at least like 4 or 5 backups of each now because I just love them. I found my last product. I knew there was one more. This product I've been absolutely obsessed with this month. And I don't know if you can still get it, so I'm really sorry if I mentioned this and you can't get it. But it is from Too Faced, and it's the Lip Injection Glossy Lip Plumping Lip Gloss. This, guys, I have loads of shades of this. Like, I think there's like maybe 6 in the line. I think I have all of them. This is the best lip plumping gloss I've ever used. I stopped getting lip fillers like nearly 2 years ago. Maybe more, maybe like 3 years ago. I just stopped getting them. I just got them twice and I was like done, dusted, whatever. I loved the look of lip fillers, but I just found that, I don't know, I never bothered getting them done again. So instead, I'm using a lip plumping gloss. And generally I would say they don't really work. They don't do anything. But this, guys, this will double your lip size. Now, I usually apply this on days where I have no makeup on and I just want my lips to look extremely plump. So yeah, you apply it and then you're like, oh, it's fine, it's grand, it does not doing anything, it's just giving me a glossy look to my lips. And then within like maybe like 2 minutes, your whole lips are tingling and they're like expanding. I can see why a lot of people would not like the feel of like a lip plumping gloss, but in my opinion, the lip plumping glosses from Too Faced are probably the best. Now, like I said, why am I still holding this mirror? Like I said, I don't know if they are still available because I haven't seen them in a long time, like anywhere, anyone talking about them or anything like that. And I feel like I have this lip plumping gloss for maybe 2 years. So it's probably expired, but it was brand new and like sealed and in a box and stuff. So I'm just presuming that it's still fine. It doesn't smell off or anything. It actually smells fine. But they do give you quite plump lips. This one is in Angel Kisses. And I think I have another one in Babe that I wear quite a lot. But I really like the look of this on my lips. Just for that little bit more of a pout and fuller looking lips. Just be careful. It might burn you. Last product I want to talk about is my mist for the month. I only have one mist for the month and it is the Hello Happy Flawless Brightening Foundation. I so wanted to love this foundation, guys. I wanted to love this more than anything. If you guys recall, where is it gone? This foundation, the Hello Happy Original Blur Foundation, is one of my favorite foundations, especially for the summer, because I just think it is great on my skin. It's very lightweight. It still keeps like my freckles peeking through, makes my skin look natural, even, balanced, looks lovely on my skin. And also great for oily skin. This was horrendous on my oily skin. Like, I mean, within about 6 hours, I looked like I went to INAPA and I was raving for like 10 hours plus at a foam party. That's how sweaty my face was. Like, it was just crazy sweaty. And Damien was over the day I did the first impressions of this and he was like, Ashling, that foundation is dreadful on your skin. It's a gorgeous foundation first 2-3 hours. Once my natural oils start coming through, oh no, there was no saving me. I was just an oily, like greasy, horrible mess. I reckon this foundation is probably more suitable for dry skin. And if you have dry skin, then definitely try it out and see what you think about it, because it would be something I could say would be right up your alley. Whereas if you have oily skin like me, you're not going to love this. Like, I did not have that much joy with this. Foundation looks so lovely when you first apply it. And like I said, for the first couple of hours, it looks gorgeous on your skin. But then after that, the oils, the natural oils mixing with this. No bueno, nah. Don't love it. So there you have it, guys. That is my July hits and misses. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I would love if you guys gave it a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please do subscribe. A lot of people have said that my videos are not going into the subscription boxes. I have no idea what's going on. That's just YouTube for you. And it's just been ruining my life for the last year and a half. Some people, if they unsubscribe from my channel and then click subscribe, they get like the notification option and you can just like get notified for my videos. You can do that if you want. I don't really mind because, to be honest, I just love creating content. But it is infuriating if you do want to see my videos and they're not showing up. So I'm sorry about that, guys. But, you know, do let me know what kind of works for you. Like unsubscribing and then subscribing again if that works. Or if you click the bell now, or I don't know. But do let me know if something works so I can pass the message on. Thank you again for watching. I love you all so much. Please let me know what hit and miss you had of the month. And I will talk to all of you in my next video.